All right. So it's July 24th, and we're gonna check out the markets. And I got the 15 chart on the big screen behind me, or well, in front of me, but big screen. And I'm looking at currently, can we sweep the low for the 15, or can we sweep the overnight low? They're pretty close. And if we can, there's a lot of juicy upside there. I should have, yeah, we swept it. We did, this is some pre-marked levels. We swept this. This is a 15 level. We are not open yet, so never mind that. We need to, we had strength here. Let's see, like this. 4 direction, yes. Same here, go away. This is a pre-marked level. Sometimes they save time and sometimes no. There we are. And we have this level here. Oh, that's not it. Okay. 1 minute and 40. Today we had, let's see, we had some unexpected news concerning US-Iran situation. Roughly 1 hour and 30 minutes ago, and yeah, that resulted in at 2 o'clock roughly this thing, right? Anyway, so we wait for the market to decide, give direction at open, and I've pre-marked drawn out daily, hourly, and 15 minutes levels, which are on screen. And I would actually switch and show that process doing it, but the platform is not too fast. And I also have trading view up here, but the thing is I have it on another screen as well, and I don't want to mess up the setup right now. So let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's do it. And bam. There we are, there we are. I'm gonna have to wait for this minute, so see what happens. Right, that's the current bar being formed. Doesn't really confirm. We need, well, need to close beyond the level. Let's see. There we are. So it looks like ES wants to close inside, or well, previous bar is down and exhausted buyers. Okay. 10 seconds to go. This doesn't prove much of anything right now. There are some juicy lows on 15 down there on the NQ that I want to, yeah. Exhausted buyers. That's exhausted divergent buyers, but am I supposed to sell that? Here, this one? Am I supposed to sell that? Nah, man, come on. It's a bit early. Same with this. So we need direction. We need to sweep something, or we need to close beyond something. Let's see what we got. Yeah, let's see. This is one of them I marked out before. Let's make it further so we can go just here. You can see it. And there's more here, yes. I don't keep track of where these levels come from right now, but as you see, they outline with some 15 levels. Either one is fine, revert or confirm. I also see these big on the big screen, and on the big screen roughly I have now, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 9 days of M15 data on the big wide screen. So, and here I have 1 minute. Looks like rejecting lows, but I mean, that's not the reason to take a trade. Here as well, rejecting, okay. We need to close above here for direction. Is that a sweep? Is that a close? If we close above, is that a trade? We need to answer that question right now. Yes, it can be a trade. We'll see. But here we didn't really sweep anything or prove direction. We had direction before news, before market opened, so we need to this or this. Here, okay. Today we have we're running with a new added rule, trading rule number 6, and it simply states that if I'm floating more than 1-to-1, I can aggressively trail according to significantly a lot stronger volume in price bar. It's my way of following strength in price when I'm up significantly. Rule number 6. So let's see what we have here. Right, so that's confusing. All right, that's the bar. Okay, green one. We need to go beyond this or this. Let's take this. There we are. And here we closed down on the open, rejected. So if this was an entry, a bit premature, but it could be. Here, similar way, down. We close above, then we have direction up. Currently, we don't really have a direction yet. Let's double check the data settings. Got 260 on MES. Got 340 on M&Q. Let's double check size. 1. Size is 2. Okay. Oh yeah, that's some strength, that's some strength. That's some jumping power. The question is, why does it do that? I'm just going on another screen. Yeah, okay. Big reaction higher. Big, can we close above? There's no gaps down, so we're not gonna stop below this otherwise in any way. There is a gap forming here, so close above could potentially be something. We have TP here, so most likely the highs. And no. Down, this is the one. We go here, we go and reject. Okay. Wow, that's not a pin bar. Sad. Not good enough deformation to eat. Yeah. No. That's not a formation we can use. We reject the highs, that's confirmation, but yeah, we need to close beyond here. And what I was thinking here is, okay, is this a pin bar? No. Is this a spinning top? No. Is it the close beyond 60% of the previous bar? Might be, but I think no. And if it was, it would be a market sell order with a stop. Above here, targeting this, but yeah, it's not, it's too close. And here we have no gaps, so we don't touch this. Let's see what we get. We got levels on either side, levels here. We swapped out this thing, and let's see. Let's pull them out a bit. Grab the big one so we see it. Right. Looks like M&Q actually engulfing previous bar on 15, and that would mean we go for the lows it would mean in this case we go here. That could be something. Okay, yes, you wanna go, you wanna close higher? Okay, interesting. Notice the gap here, but no close above, so we can't use this as an engulfing retrace into it because we don't have the direction up. Harami breaking pattern. Energy stop there for some reason. But if we do this and if we close above, if we close above here soon, it could be model B, market long. Could be. This could not be. Looks like we are at balance here, and we are below balance here. I think we grab something here and we go up. There's a lot of juicy hollowness above on the 15. Not sure if I can show it on this, but I'll attempt to show it. Not much on this day, right? If we go back, not much here, right? Empty space. But check this out. Look at this. So hollow. So very hollow. It starts at 28,850. Okay. Guess not. Can we not go there? Okay, we could. Yes, we can. All right. Waiting for the direction. I guess people are considering what's news before market did today again. Same as yesterday also. Some weird news showed up before market. I'm gonna make everything silent on the phone actually. So hopefully that works. So somewhat of a double low. What is MNQ? Okay, that was aggressive to the downside. This is an engulfing, rejecting, engulfing. Actually, reject. No. I was thinking that we have direction short here. We have a retrace with a gap and an engulfing. No, we don't. It's a lot of juicy lows there though. A lot of them. Man. Yeah, that was actually this and this, right? Not really sure about the direction from this bar here. And that's why I'm questioning the retracing to this gap here. We have a close above here now. Close below the level. So we should have a direction up on this thing. But we don't really have anything to... Like this is the first, this is the second. What's red exhaustion here? Okay, what's going on here? What's this? You think I should buy this mess? Come on, man. I don't want to buy that. Yeah, NQ going down, yeah. I can see. Now we definitely confirmed power to the downside on MNQ. Did I misread it? No. Or maybe I did actually, maybe. We have this first bar closing lower, rejected the highs. Yeah, maybe I did. Maybe I did. Yeah, we got some sellers showing up on the 15 delta. So probably go for the lows, yeah? We'll see. The ES should follow. We have touched the gap twice anyway, and there's no direction here, so we still need this. took the levels. I'm actually thinking that I misread this. I might have become confused slightly. Close down, reject highs. Yeah, maybe I did. Maybe. Right. And that's the big one. We'll see. No gap coming down there though. Right. Let's see. Sitting very close to the lows there on the 15. There's only one left, and yeah, that's marked out on the screen. Yeah. And if we take that one, well, then we have to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to see the overnight low to take that out. But I mean, that would be the trade of the century. 5 days back, sweep that thing, switch, and then go all the way up. That's a lot of points. I don't think so. You never know. Okay. Just watching. Just watching. So that's the point of switch. Right. 15 finished. So another 15 bar printed. Oof, engulfing on ES. Look at that thing go. Wow. Really? That's a bit aggressive. A lot of green on the top side there. Not really getting it, but yeah. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's strong. That's power. I do wonder what's happening. Let's go check Forex Factory if somebody did something. Nah, can't see anything. No. Right, they are trying. I can see. So we have the wave falling down, right? But we have too many different colors for me to pick that up like this. We have already two stabs into the gap, so not touching it and going down. Interesting. So yeah. Oh, apparently I was wrong. Interesting. I was confused about this candle for a while, but I will write about it in the log. Let's see. Yeah, we have the ES here. We have close above this should mean something. Close above this is the confirmation. Let's see. Oh, there we are. That's the power. More green than that. So is it going to follow? So here we have this. You call that taking out the lows? Okay. Come on, close above ES. Wow. Did you see the spike? Wow. Yeah. Spike like that and then pulling back is the bars, they're really eating the market. And if it doesn't really pull back, if it closes above, that's very good sign for strength above. It should react like that, right? If there's power up. We'll see what it does though, but looks like the NQ. No, it doesn't want to do NQ. We'll see what it does. Do we have direction? What's going on? Rejecting highs. Well, okay. Let's go and check YM while we wait. More clear actually. Went down, didn't want to stay there. Tried to sell, went higher, didn't want to stay high. Okay. Okay. Got the power here showing here. We close above and we are above again. Yes, we are above. This is the interesting area. We closed above, so did we switch to the upside? Yeah, I think so. But the floor is here. They break it? Apparently they do. Looks like a bigger push for the lows, huh? We are now through the overnight lows. We are through them. Waiting for it. Red at lows, that's okay. We are up, we are here. We create a pin bar here and I will buy stop it. Here, close below, we'll see what happens. No pin bar. What about second bar here? We are direction down. Okay. Yeah. Now the lows from 5 days ago is close. There is something else on the screen as well that is very close. I have to check what this line is. Trend line. Oh, it's a daily level. Okay, yeah, got it. Right. Yeah, that's okay. So there's some more levels below. Of course there is, right? But yeah. We now have just waiting. Is it going to be one of those after 10 or 4 or whatever? We're gonna switch then or what? Yeah, took out the 5 day ago level on the MNQ. Now the day level sitting there, looking very juicy. I'm gonna change that on the big screen to check that out. Oh yeah, it's a daily level from it's a daily level. It's 2 weeks old. That's what it is. Sitting there down below. And yeah, taking out that would be something. Some gaps here, okay. We wait and we wait. Looks like we tagged the level. It's like on the pixel. I can't really tell. Should here, below this level here, if we did touch it, we should have a reaction big one down here. If it really was. Also look here. Oh, that's current. Never mind. The point price goes below here. Have a look. No, there's not much sitting there. Okay. Okay. Just poking. Got it. Very interesting, huh? Notice that the bar is becoming green, but it is open here and it's lower. That is because there are more buyers there. Doesn't mean I will buy it. Same with ES. Down green. That is, yeah, see, stronger reaction. Significantly stronger reaction. Okay, there was something there. Okay, we wait. We wait. Would be cool if we had notifications here. We can probably do it. I'm not sure how though. No. Okay. I'm not sure. It's possible, right? But yeah, okay. Some gap forming here. Or not. Here. About 3 minutes to go on the 15 bar. Okay. Classic. Retrace up and no follow through. And do we switch? Maybe. While we wait, let's have a look at something interesting. Yeah. We're not going to play around with that today. Yesterday by this time I had done my 3 trades. It's interesting. It's funny how that goes, huh? Okay, green up on a low volume. That's a good sign of turning. Okay, never mind. Bigger volume. Okay. That's a switching pattern on another time frame. Definitely. For example, here, down, zigzag, and then up. That's an M or W upside down on another time frame, and then big one here. Yeah. Where does this go? Maybe here. Nothing for me on the 1 minute though. This is similar but not the same. This one was more obvious. Look at the way it's hollow here, and we have filled candles here. Right? Hollow, and then we turn to one side. Filled, 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 and then hollow. Right? Similar here. Where price ended up turning hollow. Hollow. And then down, filled, and we switch, and yeah. We touch that thing. Actually, that's sell stop. Right. Yeah, because the bar, it should be up there. Okay. Well, we'll see what it does. We need to find a target for the ES. Initially, let's just do this for now. Can't see something there. Is there nothing here? That's not good enough. That's not good enough. Is this good enough? Yeah, it is. Okay. So I was a bit late for the fill, right? But exhausted buyers came into here and down. And same here. Might be a switch. We might have to eat this one and go the other way, but we'll see. If we don't, then we follow through down. Here is similar, but we have no gaps, so. If we close anywhere above here, then this trade is wrong because there's a gap forming. So if we close above this level here, then this one is wrong and I have to kill it. Let's see. Here we have down, gap, into gap, 1 bar, 2 bar. Let's see if the MNQ wants to push down. 20 seconds. Here we have 1 bar 2, nothing, so no add-on for this. MNQ only. Only 1 bar. Okay. So it will be here. Let's see. 4 seconds. Okay. There. Okay. We didn't close above. Still same rule apply. We have a gap here. Did we have a... Yeah, we have a gap there. If we close above, then we change direction. I change this entirely. Just completely change it. And then I flip it. We have to wait. Like 30 seconds for that. And if it can't stay up, then it should go down. It should defeat the gap. We'll find out. And here we have... yeah. Mush and gap up. Yeah. Down and mush. We are wrong. Are we wrong? We're filled on. Okay, we're filled on second bar. My mistake. and we closed above, and my mistake as well. Close. All right. This should not be filled, so I removed it. And as I said, if we close above, we should switch. We didn't. The bar color actually tricked me. Okay, but we should go the other side because exhausted. We'll wait for that bar. We'll wait 20 seconds for this one. That's 2 orders done. Let's see here. Exhausted sellers at the. There's a gap, right? Yeah. Right, and here should be similar. Right. I have done 2 orders, right? Yeah, okay. This doesn't look too good for my case, right? No, it doesn't. Right, and you will see what happens here. We're gonna have to wait 20 more seconds. Did react strongly here, should hold, but maybe the gap wasn't really that obvious. Or 3 seconds, there's no trade here. Let's wait. It's bar number 1, 2. If this creates an engulfing, I can enter market here as well. Here we have 1, bar 2, nothing, so this will have no add-on. And this one is change direction, so that's target. Let's see, we'll wait for, can we get engulfing here? 5 seconds. Yeah. We change direction here? No. We change direction up here. So we have to go here. Right. Both of them look slightly aligned now. So that's 4 trades on. So we used all the gaps. Now price needs to prove that the directional read was correct. Looking for something above here. The same here, above here, we'll see. Doesn't look like it wants to go to there right now, huh? Or we'll see, we'll see. Oh, more buyers showing up. Not too bad. Reaction above. Slight pullback. Oh well, close higher. That's good. A slight close higher with some volume. Not too bad. We need closing higher. We need to close with the gaps, and then we need to absolutely go. That's what we need. Right. Right, we are, both trades are in profit currently. Yeah, okay. If we have a reason to lock both of them, then we can absolutely lock according to rule number 2. We will see. Okay, this is a double dually proved level, so we can do this. Green, more volume coming there on the ES, also on M and Q. Looks like we're getting gaps formed. MES going. Five seconds, floating roughly 200. It's slightly less convincing. Locking it. Gap here. Locking the gap. I'm not giving anything back here. Okay, protecting 40. Protecting the day. 4 trades in. Alright, let's see where we go. So we started both of these with roughly 112 in risk. And we need to actually see the numbers, so we need to push a bit more. Right. So if they float above 112, both of them, roughly the same, if this survives, hopefully it does, then we can trail with power. It would be nice to see the new rule in effect. I just moved the stop up slightly just to see the number below. Looks like it doesn't want to go here. Or maybe, who knows. So this looks like a good, I mean, could be a candidate, right? If we get the fat green candle here, then I could probably protect below. If we get that. It's a bit of a stretch right now, yeah. And this, yeah, it's got a far, it's got some ways to go. Yeah, not convincing at all, actually. So, probably here. Just protecting the gap. Right, so we have a gap. We have a second gap as well. Double gap, we can keep it like this then. We have the target up here because price changed direction to up here. That's why I kept the target here. And a similar idea on MQ. I think we changed direction here just shortly, and that's why I changed it up there. So, I mean, it's a bit of a stretch to ask for this, yeah, but you never know. I really never know. So, okay. We have done 4 trades, and as you can see on the chart, we are locked in green for the day, and it means that I shouldn't place more trades. above 3 trades and locked green for the day. Means I shouldn't place more trades. And if I take 5 trades, then I'm also done. So those are 2 rules. Maybe those 2 rules will go away. In the future, maybe I will change them for time-based rules fully. Right? But we will see. I'm thinking that time-based would be better. And somebody sent me money. Interesting. You got money on Swish. Cool. I got money. All right. Okay. Now you see 125 big green. Big green we protect there. Bit harsh. Maybe. Bit close. You want to wait for the big green? Come on. That's really close, man. And there we are. So 154. Right. All right. Yeah, and like I said, I think that's it. Did I trail too fast here? Stop should be here, and there's a no, I don't think so. Is price going to go all the way up, like 200 more points? You won't see on this channel. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. Like I said, 4 trades done. By the 4 trades, locked into profit, and yeah, that is all. So that was Friday, that was 24 July, and I will I should return on Monday. I didn't check my schedule, but I should return on Monday, I think. And yeah, that will be all. If you want to try this for yourself, go ahead and check out the links in the comment there. I have some pretty good special prices for Blue Guardian. And I also have some links to my website. I got some other things there that may be interesting. And yeah, that will be all. I will see you in the market.